and welcome to my very first vlog. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to explore the breathtaking beauty of nature. From serene landscapes, get ready to be captivated by the wonders our planet has to offer. Let's embark on this incredible adventure together. As the sun sets on our wonderful day of exploration, I'm reminded of the incredible beauty that surrounds us. Nature's splendor is a reminder of the importance of preserving and cherishing our planet. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to bring you more awe-inspiring explorations.